Welcome to Magic 1 Extra, a place where everyone has a story to tell. Are you looking for trusted celebrity news? Visit Magic 1 Extra at www.magic1extra.com and keep updated with fresh news 24/7. Follow Magic 1 Extra on Facebook and Twitter at Magic 1 Extra.
April 17, 2023, 7:40 p.m. Davido has revealed that he prefers to keep his personal affairs away from his music. In anticipation of the concert, Davido held a press conference to speak on the plans for the event and what listeners should expect. During the press conference, a journalist broached the subject of the album and the fact that listeners expected more personal content from Davido. In answering the question, the megastar stated that he doesn't like to involve his personal affairs with his music, as he prefers to keep his music simple and fun. There's emotion, but not too much emotion in the album. If you listen to Davido's music over the years, I have always been a happy person whether I was going through something or not. The multi-award-winning hitmaker further stated that there's time for everything, and if it's time to explore more personal time, he will do that. That side of my life, if I want to talk about it, there's time for that, but on this album that's not what I was going for. Davido is set to perform Timeless for the first time in Lagos on April 23 at the over 50,000 Tafawa Balewa Square, and fans will be eager to partake in what the megastar promises to be an unforgettable experience. Our newsletter gives you access to a curated selection of the most important stories daily. Two lawyers landed themselves in hot water, with one facing jail time for contempt of court if he does not follow the judge's orders in the Young Thug YSL ongoing trial. On Monday, Judge Ural Glanville addressed attorneys Anastasios Manetas, who is representing defendant Miles Farley, and Eric R. Johnson, who is representing defendant Christian Eppinger, for contempt of court. Manetas was ordered to buy lunch for his colleagues by March 17 from a restaurant called Jason's Deli. The judge noted that the attorney was fined $250, which he paid, and he was ordered to purchase lunch for all of the lawyers in the case, which is not completed. Manetas was facing 20 days in jail. It's unclear what caused the judge to sentence the lawyer for contempt of court. Manetas previously opted to serve jail time for contempt of court in another trial back in 2018, when his client was acquitted of a murder charge, but he ended up in jail after causing the verdict to be read to be delayed by an hour. The lawyer had gone to the bank, but the judge rejected his explanation and sentenced him to serve 48 hours in the Clayton County Jail, or pay $1,000 the next day. The lawyer, however, held his ground, with a colleague telling reporters his decision to serve jail time was one of principle since he believed the judge's actions were unfair. There was a terse exchange with the other attorney, Johnson, whom Judge Glanville threatened with 20 days in jail if he failed to submit a 17-page essay by April 28 at noon. Johnson questioned why he was not ordered to pay a fine of $250 like his co-counsel Manetas, but Judge Glanville told him that despite his offer to pay $1,000, that was not on the table. The judge overseeing at Young Thug's RICO trial threatened a lawyer with 20 days in jail if he doesn't complete the 17-page essay. He was assigned after being held in contempt of court. April 28 at noon, or you do 20 days, Judge Ural Glanville told the attorney. pic.twitter.com/CNNMNJG5VA, Law and Crime Network, at Law Crime Network. April 17, 2023, a 17-page paper on the importance of professionalism in the legal field and treating one's opponents with civility. Paper is to be published quality in APA format and at least 10 primary and secondary sources, the judge said, noting that the paper should be of a quality the local bar association can publish. In the meantime, another lawyer might be on eggshells after he seemingly told the judge he was cap, street slang for lying, during court on Monday. Before closing out on the matters dealing with attorneys, Judge Glanville warned attorneys to abide by rules of professionalism. It has been brought to my attention that some of you at various times have gotten cross purposes with our court personnel. And this falls under the general category of professionalism and our obligations as counsel. Please do not provide extra items in contravention of the things that our deputy have told you, the judge said, nothing that lawyers were offering drinks, candy, and using their phones around the defendants. On a basic level, folks, all of us are still subject to the rules to include the court, so please don't put yourself cross purposes with the court, he added.
Thank you for watching. Magic 1 Extra will update you on more developing stories. For more information, WhatsApp Magic 1 Extra on +2567052222435.